A missing Mistplay verification email is usually a delivery or account login problem, and the fastest fix is to check the email address, spam folders, and the login method connected to your account before repeatedly requesting another message. By the end, you'll know exactly what to check when the Mistplay verification email never shows up, and what to do if none of those checks work. First, confirm the email address you entered. Check every character carefully, including the domain after the @ symbol. If you entered the wrong address, the verification message will be delivered somewhere else. Next, check your wine spam, Mistplay promotions, and other filtered folders. Search your entire mailbox for Mistplay instead of relying only on the inbox. If you use Gmail, check the promotions and spam sections and search for Mistplay. If you use Outlook, check junk email and any other filtered folders. After that, wait briefly before requesting another verification email. Sending repeated requests can make it harder to identify which message is the newest one. If a verification message eventually arrives, open the newest email and use its verification option rather than an older message. You should also confirm that you are using the same email associated with your Mistplay account. Mistplay's login troubleshooting guidance recommends using the original sign-in method because switching between login methods can lead to a different account or make your original progress appear missing. For example, if you originally created the account using Google, try signing in with Google rather than treating the account like a separate email and password account. If you can access your Mistplay account but verification keeps failing, check whether the email address itself is receiving messages from other services. Send yourself a test email from another account. If that message also fails to arrive, the problem may be with your mailbox rather than Mistplay. Also check whether your email provider is automatically blocking or filtering messages from Mistplay. Remove any Mistplay-related block or filter, then request the verification email again. If none of this works, contact Mistplay support. Include the email address associated with your account, the login method you normally use, and a screenshot showing the verification problem. Do not send your password. The quickest troubleshooting order is: verify the email address, search every mailbox folder, check filters and block senders, use your original Mistplay login method, and request a fresh verification message. If the email still never arrives, stop repeatedly requesting it and contact Mistplay support so they can check the account directly. The two biggest things to remember are that the correct email address matters and your original login method matters. Checking those before creating another account can prevent you from ending up with a separate Mistplay profile. If this fixed your Mistplay verification problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Mistplay troubleshooting guides.